Hello, I got your email. You're asking about how to calculate these values. So, you got to figure out p hat, first of all. And so p hat, if you look in this section 8.4, they give the formula several times. It's x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over n sub 1 plus n sub 2. You see x sub 1, n sub 1, x sub 2, n sub 2, they're all given there. So if you add the two x's and add the two n's here given, you get 79 over 134, which is 0.5896 roughly. And so this first one, is n sub 1 times p hat. And so n sub 1, 72, p hat, I just calculate, and you multiply, and you get this number here. And so, here it involves p hat and n1. This is p hat and n2. Now, Q, you say, what's Q? Well, it's the complement of p hat. Q is just 1 minus, Q is 1 minus p hat. And so, you just subtract this from 1, and then you get Q hat, and then you multiply it by n1, and you multiply it by n2. Hope this helps.